What's going on YouTube? Just a quick video to show you how to link your AdSense to your YouTube channel. So, without further ado, intro. Go to your YouTube studio on the left, go to Create a Studio Classic. You'll have a pop-up. Thanks for using Create a Studio Beta. Click skip, then it takes you to another page, and then on the left hand side we need to scroll down until we see, where is it, channel. Click the drop down, and then what we want to choose then is monetization. So if it's not already enabled, we need to click on enable, and then we need to click on start. After clicking next, it will take you to a list of accounts that you need to choose from to AdSense, and then that will take you to another page, Google AdSense. You will already have your website filled out, your YouTube channel, and then it will ask you get more out of AdSense, so you can make a choice whether you choose yes, send me customized help and performance, or choose no, don't send me anything. I chose no. Choose your country or territory. I chose United Kingdom because I'm in the UK. Before I accepted the terms and conditions, I read through them. I skipped forward so you didn't have to do that. Once you skip through those three little pop-up boxes, you need to fill out your payment details, your customer information, your account type. Once you have filled out the relevant details, you will be redirected to your host. Basically, this will redirect you back to YouTube, monetization page, and you need to set the notification preferences. Now you need to review the ad formats, and if you're happy with the current selections, or deselect as you see fit. Click save. And then step 4, this part is about you getting reviewed after you've reached 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the previous 12 months. Don't forget that you won't be able to earn any money from ads until these requirements have been met and your account has been reviewed. Now click on return to YouTube Studio, and that's it. Now you're all set up to go. So as soon as you've met those requirements, you can start earning money from ads. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found that helpful. See you on the next video. Ciao.